There is a lady out here in a cotton picking t-shirt, it looks like. Walking a dang dog. You have got to be kidding me. I'm upset with that, but I'm going to keep taping Sydney to pretend like I'm trying to tape Sydney and not her. And where is she? Yep. T-shirt. You've got to be kidding me. It is like 2 degrees outside and you got the nerve to have on a t-shirt. Are you crazy?
Dogs are cute. Aren't they cute?
Yeah, they are. Ha.
The cat is in the stroller.
Hello. It's cold as hell outside. She got on a goddamn t-shirt.
I remember my first new bicycle. I was about your age too, I think.
Yeah, they are.
And the cat is in the stroller?
She also don't have on no socks. I just wanted to make sure that I noted that. Just in case you guys were not paying attention. No socks. But just house shoes. And the backs are out. Her feet are crusty. And it's freezing outside. Just FYI. Where's Sydney? Oh, there she is. Alright. Back to you, Bob. She is picking up her speed now. That's awesomeness.
I've got slippery stuff on my wheels, so I'm going really fast. I'm out of control.
Nuts.
I'm out of control.
Oh. Help her, someone. Help her. Oh my gosh. Let's run closer to her. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you sure you're good? You good? You need some help? You need some help? You need some help? You need some help? You take a sip. I take a sip. You take a sip. I take a sip.
Please enjoy Kevin Hart.
Oh, that's who you're about to be now? Okay. Good deal. Ready?
You're Kevin Hart.
Nuh-uh. You know it. So, alright. 5, 4, 3, 2. Back to you, Bob.
I'm gonna show you how a woman would cry when a man leaves. No, 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 no. What just happened to me? No, 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 no. I'm not doing the speed limit. No, 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 no. Do the speed limit. No, no, no. Bye. Hey, go back in the house, son. Look at yourself, you piece of boo-boo. You can't even take your son with you.
What do newlyweds do?
Huh?
What do remember he was talking about the new couples?
Oh yeah.
What do they do?
New couples, I don't like new couples. They're just like, babe, I got a sip of juice left. I got a sip of juice left. You want it? You want some? I take a sip, you take a sip, I take a sip, you take a sip. We can do it like that. But then we go to a restaurant, and then her food comes out before mine, and then I say, babe, eat your food. And then, what do you think came next? Can't you wait till I'm done talking to God before I hear a metal fork on my plate? Please enjoy Sydney Speed Racing. That was some Kevin Hart.
Wasn't it? I love that show.
Okay, well, please enjoy Kevin Hart. Please enjoy Kevin Hart Speed Racing on Sydney's bike. Ah!
Yep, people, she's got it both ways. She can go to the left, and she can go to the right. Awesomeness.
Now, please enjoy Akon from Dance Play doing the skit from the show. Come on, Akon in the house. You got $20 bills, put your hands up. You got $50 bills, put your hands up. You got $100 bills, put your hands up. Now give me all your money. Trick or treat, smell my heat, so me and my baby balls can eat.
Wait. Everybody run! Get out of here!
Wait, let me see that! Let me see that!
What?
You're filming my bike again.
Right.
Wait, let me see the part when you were like, everybody run!